Hey guys, welcome to Buy It, Watch It, where we buy it so you can watch it to help you make the best decision with your purchases. And today we'll be reviewing the Cricut Easy Press Mini. Nice little piece of machinery here. Great for those small tiny areas that you may want to press a little piece of vinyl on. You know, especially I got this personally for the tags and shirts. When I press, I have a what is it, 16 by 16 heat press. So when it comes to those tags, just having to move the shirt just to try to get to the neck part, and making sure you want to get it in the area to where it's most hot at, and you're not hitting what you just transferred onto the shirt again, So I think this will be perfect for me. It'll come in handy, and we'll probably maybe test it out later on in this video. So yeah, I was like, let me go snatch one of these bad boys up, see how it works, because the rest of their products work pretty well. Because I also have the 12 by 12 easy press, and yeah, that one works pretty good. So hopefully we get the same results with this. This one has 3 settings, no timer on it. So matter of fact, let's open it up first and I'll continue from there. Okay, at first glance, when we open the box, look what we have here. So now let's take everything out the box, set everything up. We can see everything that's inside of it. Okay, so we have the safety instructions, little manual, the base, and the heat press itself. So now this is your base here. The insulated safety base protects your work area from heat damage. And this is your heat press. Nice little sleek thing. As you can see, the easy press has 3 settings: low, medium, and high. These settings are designed to be used with different fabrics, types of materials, vinyl, infused ink. Well, I'm gonna speak about vinyl and heat transfer, so we're gonna stick to that right there. And then there's this little button right there, you can see, with like a little thermometer or whatever on there. That button will be to set your temperatures and to turn it off and on. So this heats up in about 2 to 3 minutes. Once you turn it on, set your setting, wait for about, let's just say 3 minutes, and you should be good to go. The first heat setting will be good for like foil. If you use heat transfer foil, the foil heat transfer. The second setting will be good for, the vinyl, your heat transfer vinyls. And the third settings will be for, the highest will be like an infused ink. It shouldn't be rocket science to work this bad boy, And one thing about it, it doesn't have a timer. That's why I was like, if they had added a timer, it would have been perfect. But it doesn't have no timer. That's the con to this so far. It doesn't have a timer, but you could just get your little timer. Get a little cooking timer, have it on the side right there next to you. Press it, or use your cell phone. Simple. Use your cell phone. Boop. Set your timer. You know, you want to use it first, you know, practice on something to see how, you know, long you had to hold it down for it, and that'll be your time. Yeah. That's the gist of it, you know. It's not that hard to manage. When it turns green, that means you're at your set temperature and it's ready to press, you know, whatever you want to press up. And right now, let's put it to work. Well, let's check it out. Let's plug it in. Let's hook it up. Let's go. But before we do that, I would like you guys, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe now. You know, like this video, you know, to help the channel out. You know, even if you're not subscribed, just put a like on the video. It costs you nothing. You know, that'll be your blessing that you gave to someone for today. And, you know, comment below if there's a product out there you had your eyes on, but you wasn't too sure about it. And maybe we'll just get it and do a review on it. And let's get to powering this bad boy up. It's plugged in. Now let's put it on. Let's hit the button. Okay. Hit it once. It's orange. So it's heating up. Once it gets to the temperature, it'll turn green. So let's see how long. We'll wait this one out to see how long it takes for it to get to the first setting. See, oh look, wow. So now it's ready to go. Everything is green, it's ready to go. Let's click the next temperature. Let's press it. I pressed the button one time and it went to the second setting. Let's see how long that takes. Oh wow, even faster. Wow. Wow. Let's go to the third setting. Alright, we're at the third setting. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Try to do a 10-second count, but it takes a little longer. Okay, oh, wow. Wow, this thing heats up fast. Wow, this thing heats up pretty fast. That's good. Wow. Wow. That was pretty quick. So let's press it again. It turns off. Press it again. First setting. Press it again, second. This is third. You hit it the fourth time, it turns off. Whoa, so that's the heat press in a nutshell. Went through everything. And now let's try to press something. Okay, so I have here a shirt, cotton, and a DTF piece of material, and we'll try to press it on the shirt. We'll do, you know, a medium pressure, and we'll hold it there for like 15 seconds. Let's put this bad boy to use. Let's go. Okay. I didn't want to move it around and do all that because, you know, the piece fits under it. Just want to test this out. Okay. Let's let it cool for a little while. You know what? I'll pause it. I won't make you guys wait through the cooling process. And guys, one thing I forgot about, and normally I don't forget this part, is our parchment paper. When I pressed it, I didn't use any parchment paper, so don't forget to use your parchment paper when you're pressing it. But we'll still see how it came out. Okay, so now it cooled down. Let's see how it worked. Let's peel this bad boy off. Oh, peeled off nice. Peeled off nice and smooth. Now let's use the parchment paper. One more time, 15 seconds for our final result. Okay, now we'll let that sit for about 3 more minutes and we'll check it out after that. Be right back, guys. Okay, now we're back and let's see. Let's check it out. Oh, it's in there. Look at that. Oh wow, it's in there. Let's take a spoon, show you guys. Show you guys it's in there. Yeah, it's in there. Wow, I give it a thumbs up. I give it a thumbs up. It is in there. Yep, it's in there. It also has a auto off feature. So let's say if you guys forget, walk away, it'll cut off after like 10 minutes of inactivity, preventing overheating. So that's a good thing. So besides it not having a timer on it, I'll give this product a thumbs up. So, you know, if you're looking for a small portable heat press that's easy to use and, you know, produces professional results, that came out good. The same thing as my big press. I think the Cricut Easy Press Mini is a great option. You know, the bottom of the iron has, like the rest of them, the ceramic coating. You know, good product. So, you know, if you enjoyed this video, please hit a like, you know, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell so you get notified when we load another video, because we're going to keep loading videos. You know, our content is going to get better. You know, I'll get more better at this. I'll get better at this as time goes on, because this is my, you know, first time, you know, doing YouTube. I wouldn't say YouTube. I have other YouTube channels, but, you know, I'm a quiet person, you know, so just talking a lot and, you know, reviewing things. This is my first channel. And, you know, I'll see you guys next product. Peace.